everyone, welcome back to another episode of Siaran Pendidikan Interaktif. With me, your host, Michelle Medina. And today, I'm accompanied by Ms. Setio Rukmi from SMAN 91 Jakarta. Let's say hi to her, shall we? Hello, Ms. Setio.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for being here today. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And today we'll be discussing Bahasa Inggris for SMA. Is that
That's right, yes.
All right, with that said, Ms. Setio, could you give us a bit of insight or indicators what we'll be discussing today?
Okay, we are going to learn about invitation expressions,
Okay.
how to accept and how to decline.
Okay, and it's 3 indicators?
And one more, a little bit, about suggesting time when
Okay.
inviting.
All right, thank you, Ms. Setio, for that. And for everyone at home, we want to remind you that you can call into our studio to ask any questions you want regarding the materials that we're discussing today. You can call directly at 0800-140-3046 or through SMS at 0852-8386-8667 or through Facebook at Televisi Edukasi. And for those of you that cannot watch our show live today, don't worry, you can head on to tve.kemdikbud.go.id for video demand. All right, everyone, before we continue our lesson for the day, we have a teaser for you all to see right now. Silakan.
Why don't we go to a cinema tomorrow?
That's a good idea. Where are we going to meet?
I'll pick you up at your house around 5 p.m.
That sounds good. Okay, see you tomorrow.
By the way, you'll treat me, right?
Oh no, thanks.
All right, there you go. We just saw the teaser for the day. With that said, Ms. Setio, would you like to give your comments on the video?
Okay, the dialogue that we've just watched
Yes.
is about invitation. So
Okay.
the two women are inviting each other and they make appointment. Mereka membuat perjanjian kapan akan bertemu dan di mana.
Okay, so the video is strongly related to what we'll be
Yes.
discussing.
Okay.
I guess we can start the first lesson for the day. Silakan, Ms. Setio.
Yes. Let's see the video first.
Okay.
That one person inviting the other,
Right.
and the other accept.
Okay, then. All right.
Okay, so let's start. our
Let's
lesson
start
today.
the first lesson of the day.
Kita mulai saja ya. Jadi pelajaran kita kali ini adalah tentang invitation. So invitation adalah mengundang, ya. Let's see the title of the lesson is Would you like to have dinner? Okay, would you like to have dinner is one of the example of the expression of inviting. Yes, so would you like to? Okay, now let's see. Before we go on to the dialogue, let's see the vocabulary atau kosakata yang akan kita pelajari. Yang pertama, kita lihat ada kata invitation. You know that invitation is undangan. Ya, jadi berhubungan sekali dengan materi kita kali ini. And then the second is party. Ya, you know party. Kita lihat gambarnya, orang-orang sedang berpesta ya.
Pesta.
And then giving, it means memberi. And then refuse, menolak ya. It's refuse, menolak. Kemudian we also have dinner. Oke, makan malam. Tadi judul kita di atas adalah Would you like to have dinner? Jadi berhubungan sekali dengan materi kita kali ini.
Okay.
Now, the first lesson is the dialogue. We're going to read a dialogue. Kita akan membaca dialog ya.
That's right.
This is between two people. We're going to read together ya. Kita baca bersama.
Okay, so
Yang-
I'll be Jennifer.
Okay, I'll be Michael.
All right, I'll
Okay.
start then.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi Jen, it's me Michael.
Oh, hi, Michael. How are you doing?
Not bad. Well, are you doing anything tomorrow?
No, nothing special. Why?
Well, Brian, Julia, and I plan to have dinner. Do you want to join us?
That's a terrific idea. Where do you want to meet?
Why don't I pick you up at your house?
Okay. What time?
Is 7 o'clock okay?
Fine. See you at 7 tomorrow.
Bye. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let's go back to the dialogue. Kita lihat sama-sama ya dialognya. Di kalimat Di dialog ini ada kata-kata yang menunjukkan invitation, ya. Oke, kita lihat. Yang pertama adalah kata are you doing anything tomorrow? Sebenarnya itu merupakan awal dari bagaimana mengundang, seperti itu ya. And then ada kalimat do you want to join us? Do you want to join us? This is one of the example of inviting.
Yes,
Ya.
inviting.
And then kemudian Jennifer menjawab, that's a terrific idea. Ini kalimat ini menunjukkan bahwa Jennifer menerima accept
Invitation-nya
ya, the invitation, menerima undangannya. Kemudian dia juga melanjutkan dengan mengatakan where do you want to meet? Di mana kamu ingin bertemu dengan saya gitu ya. Kemudian mereka membuat janji selanjutnya seperti ketemu di mana tempatnya, kemudian waktunya kapan. Oke. Now let's see the other expressions of invitations.
Okay.
Okay. The first is would you like to go? Would you like to? Oke. Kata go swimming di sini itu bisa digantikan dengan kata yang lain. Ya, misalnya would you like to see the movie?
Yes.
Seperti itu ya. Jadi intinya expression tersebut atau ungkapan tersebut adalah would you like to, ya. Kemudian yang berikutnya what about? What about going to the park? Jadi yang tulisan putih ini merupakan ungkapannya, ya. Jadi anytime you want to make invitation, kita bisa menggunakan kata would you like to atau what about, ya. Tidak hanya itu, ya, tidak hanya dua, ada lagi yang lain seperti how about, ya, ini mengajak ya, invite. Kemudian we also have do you want to have dinner with me? Okay, and then the last is do you feel like going shopping? We have the expressions do you feel like. Okay. Untuk jawabannya, ketika kita menerima, ya, kita bisa mengatakan that's a terrific idea. Mungkin ada yang lain seperti that's a good idea, misalnya.
Or I would love to.
Yeah, I would love to. Or just say okay,
Yes.
good, ya. Atau bisa juga mengatakan seperti ini, sure, why not?
Yes.
Itu artinya menerima dan senang sekali menerima diajak seperti itu ya. Nah, kita kembali lagi ke expressionnya di sini ya. Kata would you like to itu kita lihat diikuti oleh kata go, bukan going. Nah, mungkin ini yang terkadang menjadi kesalahan ya, para siswa di sekolah ya, mereka mengatakan would you like to going, padahal it should be go. Ya. Atau bisa juga ketika mengatakan what about going to the park, it should be with the gerund. Ya, going. Seperti ini, jadi kalian di rumah harus tahu kapan menggunakan verb one dan kapan menggunakan verb ing. Jadi ada expression tertentu yang harus diikuti oleh bentuk tertentu. Seperti itu. Ya.
Harus di-memorize juga ya. Kalau
Iya.
would you like to selalu di-follow dengan go ya.
Yes, that's right. Seperti would you like to dan do you want to.
Yes.
Ya, karena do you want to bukan do you want to having, tetapi do you
Yes.
want to have,
Yes,
gitu
do
ya.
you want to have lunch?
Seperti do you feel like going, it's not do you feel like to go. Mungkin bisa juga tetapi mungkin jarang ya.
Okay.
Oke.
Alright, thank you Miss Sityo for that. Kita tahan dulu. Sepertinya ada SMS yang masuk dari teman kita di 0817 0922 sekian-sekian. Dan dia menanyakan, can the expression what about followed by verb one?
Oke. Kalau kita terima kasih atas pertanyaannya. Kalau kita mengikuti aturan yang sesuai, ya, yang sesuai dengan tata bahasa, ketika kita mengatakan what about, itu memang what about gerund, seperti itu ya. Karena about itu merupakan kata depan, ya. Jadi about digunakan dengan gerund. Nah, mungkin pada saat-saat tertentu bisa saja orang mengatakan what about to go. Untuk sebetulnya kalau untuk speaking it doesn't matter, ya, tidak masalah as long as the person you are talking to understand what you mean, gitu ya.
Right.
Tetapi apabila kita mengacu kepada tata bahasa yang sesuai, it should be what about going, gitu ya. Jadi diikuti oleh gerund.
Oke, mudah-mudahan sudah cukup ya untuk menjawab pertanyaannya. I guess we can continue with the lesson, Miss Setio.
Yes, sure. Okay. We're going to go to the practice.
Right, practice 1.
Okay, we have the words study together at the library tomorrow. What we are going to do is to make the invitation expression. Ya, tadi ada banyak ya, ada what about, would you like to, do you want to, seperti itu. Nah, sekarang kita lihat untuk yang pertama, study together at the library.
Okay.
Contohnya adalah how about studying together at the library tomorrow. Nah, kita lihat di sini contohnya memang menggunakan how about, ya.
Yes.
Nah, apabila kita menggunakan do you want to, tadi ada ya, contoh ekspresinya adalah do you want to, berarti ini akan menjadi do you want to study together at the library tomorrow.
Yes.
So, saya berharap siswa di rumah maupun di sekolah mengerti lebih dari satu ungkapan. Jadi mempunyai banyak pilihan untuk ungkapan-ungkapan mengundang seperti ini.
Oke.
Gitu ya.
Very good.
Jawabannya adalah that's a good idea. Ini berarti menunjukkan bahwa pembicara menerima undangan tersebut, ya.
Right. Dan ini jawabnya juga bisa dengan I would love
Macam-macam,
to.
ya, macam-macam, betul. I would love to, okay, sure, why not?
Yes.
Okay, ya.
Okay.
Okay.
And then the next.
Next, it's still about inviting. The words are come over to your place this evening. Nah, tadi di pertanyaan yang pertama atau latihan yang pertama menggunakan how about. Nah, sekarang expression apakah yang akan digunakan? Di sini ternyata what about. What about come berubah menjadi coming. If you want to use would you like to, boleh, it doesn't matter, tidak masalah, tetapi akan menjadi would you like to come. So you don't have to change anything here. Nggak perlu diubah menjadi apa-apa ya. Okay. And the answer is sure. Why not? Okay. Okay. Bisa ya. I would love to. Seperti itu.
Okay, we'll head on to the next.
Next, practice. The words are go to a movie tonight. Oke, kita akan membuat ungkapan mengundang. Di sini kalimat yang digunakan adalah do you feel like. Oke, do you feel like merupakan salah satu expression dari mengundang ya, invitation. Kemudian go berubah menjadi going. Jadi do you feel like going to a movie tonight? And how to yes, that's a terrific idea.
All right.
For the answer.
All right, thank you for that explanation, Miss Setio. Kita tahan dulu, we have to go to break right now. Tetap di Siaran Pendidikan Interaktif.